Jai Swaminarayan student. Today we are going to learn about the subtraction of a binary numbers using R's complement. In the previous lecture we have studied about the subtraction of decimal number. Today we are going to learn about the subtraction of binary numbers using R's complement. Here for the binary number the value of the radix is a 2. So meaning is that the value of R is equal to 2. So today we are going to learn about the subtraction of a binary numbers using 2's complement method. You have to follow the same step. આપણે એના same step જ follow કરવાના છે. Taking we have one example, that is example number 1. Suppose I have a number 1011 minus 111000. These two numbers are subtracted. What is the answer? Answer will be in the binary. Answer shema avse? Binary ma જ આવશે. So you have to remember this thing. Okay, now remember the steps that is suggested in the previous lecture. The step number 1 is decide m and n. પહેલું સ્ટેપ શું છે? ડિસાઇડ m અને n. m અને n ને ડિસાઇડ કરો. તો પહેલો નંબર છે આપણો m કહેવાય અને બીજો છે m. So the first number is a 1011 and what is n? That is 1000. Now second number step is take. Here you have to perform the R's complement. અહીંયા તમારે શું કરવાનું છે? R's complement કરવાનું છે. બરાબર? તો R's complement કરવા માટે અહીંયા તમારે 2's complement લેવું પડશે. તો અહીંયા શું લખવાનું? Take 2's complement of n. n જે નંબર છે એનું 2's complement લો. તો 2's complement ફાઇન્ડ કરવાની મેથડ આપણે ભણ્યા છીએ. To find the 2's complement we have to perform first 1's complement. પહેલા તમારે એનું 1's complement કરવું પડશે. તો આપણો આ નંબર છે તે અહીંયા લખી દઈશું. First perform 1's complement. The meaning of the 1's complement is to take or to replace the 1 by 0. So here is a 1. So our 1's complement is here 0. Here is a 0 then 1. 0 then 1. 0 then 1. So this is the 1's complement. આ શું થઈ ગયું? 1's complement. અહીંયા આપણે શું પરફોર્મ કરવાનું છે? 2's complement. શું પરફોર્મ કરવાનું છે? 2's complement. So find the 2's complement. Add 1 in the 1's complement. જે 1's complement નો આન્સર મળ્યો છે એની અંદર આપણે 1 એડ કરવાના છે. So 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. So this is our 2's complement. આ શું થઈ ગયું? આપણું 2's complement થઈ ગયું છે. Now step 3, you have to perform the step 3. Add answer of step 2 into m. આપણને જે સ્ટેપ 2 માં આન્સર મળ્યો છે એને આપણે m ની અંદર એડ કરવાનો છે. So what is our answer? It's a 1000. What is m here? It's a 1011. So 1011. Now add this. So 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 0 1 plus 1 1 0. Now the final is the step number 4. See carry is generated or not. See carry is generated or not. So step 4. Now see here how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. And what is the maximum digit? 4. So carry is generated. Carry is generated. Carry generate થઈ ગઈ છે. Okay. So this carry must be removed. આ carry ને આપણે remove કરવાની છે. So this carry is removed. So what is the answer? 0011. So this is our answer. 0011. Steps are same. Steps જે 10's complement માં હતા એના એ સ્ટેપ છે. R's complement અને બાઇનરી નંબર હોય કે ડેસિમલ સ્ટેપ you have to perform the same. તમારે સેમ સ્ટેપ પરફોર્મ કરવાના છે. but you have to remember one thing, that in this, if the binary numbers, then you have to perform the 2's complement, and if the decimal number, then you have to perform the 10's complement. Now we are taking the second example, so you will come to know a very okay, this is our number. What is the answer? So first, step number 1, decide m and n. So first number is the m, that is 11001. What is n? N is here. Now see, બંને નંબરના ડિજિટ આપણે સરખા કરવાના છે. So here is a 6 digits, here is a 5 digits are there. Okay, so make the equal digits. Here is a 6 digits, here is a 5 digit. So we have to put here extra 0. અહીંયા આપણે એક extra 0 મૂકવાના છે. Now perform the step number 2. Make 2's complement of n. તો આનું 2's complement કરો. તો 2's complement કરવા માટે પહેલા 1's complement કરવું પડશે. So here is a 0, then 1, 1, 1, 1 and 0. Then add 1. So this is the 2's complement. બરાબર છે. Now perform the step number 3. Step 3 is add answer of step 2 into m. Okay, so that is 0, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 1 plus this is our m, so that is to be added. So here is a 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now add this. Now add this. So what is 1 plus 1? 0 and carry 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0 and carry 1. What is 1 plus 1? 0 and carry 1. What is 1 plus 1 plus 1? Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 means carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Sum is 1, carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1. Now see. Now step number 4 is very important. Now see the carry is generated or not. See the carry is generated or not. See carry. Now see here. You can write direct how many digits are there? There is 6 digits. What is the maximum digit? They are also a 6. So see carry is not generated. Carry generate થઈ નથી કારણ કે આન્સર આપણને જેટલા મેક્સિમમ ડિજિટ છે એટલો જ મળે છે. So the carry is not generated. So take again 2's complement. ફરીથી આપણે શું લેવાનું છે? 2's complement. ટેક અગેન 2's complement. ફરીથી 2's complement લેવાનું. કોનું? તો સ્ટેપ નંબર 3 માં જે આન્સર મળ્યો છે એનો. તો આનું 2's complement લો. તો 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. પહેલા 1's complement કરશું તો 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and then add 1. So it's a 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0. Carry 1. And put negative sign. So what is the answer of our 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. So here is a 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This is our answer. Remember one thing that કે 1's complement અને 2's complement લેતી વખતે ખાસ 1 અને 0 મૂકવા ખોટું ન પડવું જોઈએ, નહીં તો આન્સર તમારો ખોટો આવશે. અને બીજી વસ્તુ કે જ્યારે પણ એક્ઝામ્પલ સ્ટાર્ટ થાય ત્યારે તમારે બંને ડિજિટ સરખા કરી દેવાના છે. બંનેના ડિજિટ સેમ હોવા જોઈએ તો જ તમારો આન્સર સાચો આવશે. અધરવાઇઝ ધ આન્સર વિલ બી રોંગ. અધરવાઇઝ આન્સર વિલ બી રોંગ. નાઉ વી આર going to perform the third example. perform the step number 1. Decide m and n. So what is n here? M is a 1 1 0 0 1. What is n here? 1 1 0 1. Okay. Step number 2. Make 2's complement of n. Before making the 2's complement, equal the digits. So here is a 4 digits, here is a 5 digits. So you have to add here extra 1 0. Okay, now what is our n? That is 0 1 1 0 1. So replace 0 by 1, 1 by 0 and add 1. So 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so this is our step 2. Step 3, make addition of answer of step 2 into m. Step 2 into m. So m ની અંદર જે step 2 માં કેટલો આન્સર આવ્યો છે 10011. What is m? Our 11001. Now add them. એ બંનેને આપણે એડ કરીશું. તો 1 + 1 0, carry is 1. 1 + 1 0, carry is 1. 1 0 0 1. 0 + 1 1. 1 + 1 0 and carry 1. Now see here. Step 4. Carry is generated or not? Carry is generated or not? Yes, because here is a maximum 5 digits. અહીંયા કેટલા digits છે? maximum 5. અહીંયા કેટલા મળ્યા છે? 6. અહીંયા કેટલા મળ્યા છે? 6. Okay, so the 6 digits of the carry is to be removed. તો આપણે remove કરી દેવાનો છે. Okay, so see here. અહીંયા શું લખવાનું? step 4. Carry is generated. Carry is generated. So discard the carry. Discard the carry. So what is the answer? Our answer at the end of the discarding the carry, it's a 0 1 1 0 0. So here you have to write the answer, that is 0 1 1 0 0. Okay, so this is the step number 4 for the performing the subtraction using R's complement. R's complement મદદથી બાદબાકી કેવી રીતે કરવી એની આ એક મેથડ છે. Further we are going to the example, step number 5, example number 4. The example number 4 that is suggested is okay, so answer is a 1101.10 minus 1001.01. Okay, these are the two examples. These are the two numbers and they are to be subtracted from each other. બરાબર, આપણે આ બે નંબરનું સબટ્રેક્શન કરવાનું છે. So don't be panic with the fractional number. You have to perform the answer. So first decide m. So it's a 1101.10. What is n? 1001.01. Step 2, make 2's complement of n. Make 2's complement of n. So our number is 1001.01. So replace 0 1 1 0 1 0 plus 1. Okay, now here you have to don't add 1 at here. અહીંયા આપણે 1 add કરવાના નથી. We have to add the 1 at here. Okay, so fractional number ની અંદર તમારે યાદ રાખવાનું છે કે 1 તમારે point ની આગળ જ એડ કરવાના છે. So it's a 1 0 0.1110. So this is our answer. Now step 3, add answer into m. આપણે m ની અંદર આન્સરને એડ કરીશું. So it's a, what is our answer of step 2? That is 011.10. What is m? 1101.10. Okay. Now 0 plus 0, 0. What is the carry? It's a 1. 1 plus 1 means carry is a 1. Zero plus 0, it's a 0. 1 plus 1, 0, and carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's a 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 and 1. Okay, so here is the 0 plus 0, it's a 0. 1 plus 1, it's a 0 and carry 1. Here is not a 1. Okay, now see, carry is generated or not? Step 4, carry is generated or not. See, तो અહીંયા કેટલા ડિજિટ હતા મેક્સિમમ? 4. અહીંયા કેટલા છે? 5. મીન્સ carry is generated. Carry is generated. Okay, if the carry is generated, then you have to discard. So discard the carry. Discard the carry. તો કેરીને આપણે રિમૂવ કરવાની છે. ઓકે, આફ્ટર રિમૂવિંગ ધ કેરી, discard the carry. So the answer is 0 and remove કરી દો. તો 0101.00. So this is our answer. Okay, so you can write here 0101.00. So this is the answer of the fractional number. Okay, so this is our subtraction of a binary numbers using the 2's complement method. Now today's homework you have to perform at your home. Okay, this 4 example you have to perform at your home. આ 4 example તમારે ઘરે perform કરવાના છે. So you will easily able to learn the subtraction of the binary numbers. તમે easily subtraction કરી શકો છો. The subtraction of the binary numbers using R's complement, the method is same. The method is same. In the next lecture we will study about the subtraction of the two numbers using r-1's complement. આપણે નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં r-1's complement ની મદદથી સબટ્રેક્શન જોઈશું. ત્યાર સુધી જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.